Actor Bharani Shankar hits and flops all movies list. First movie 2006 Amma Cheppindi average. Second movie 2011 Paramavirudu flop. Third movie 2013 Ramaya Vastavaya flop. Fourth movie 2015 Bahubali industry hit. Fifth movie 2015 Gopala Gopala average. Sixth movie 2017 Jaya Janaki Nayaka hit. Seventh movie 2017 Bahubali 2 industry hit. Eighth movie 2017 Godavari flop. Ninth movie 2018 Tarvata Evaro flop. 10th movie 2019 Aviri flop. 11th movie 2021 Crazy Uncle flop. 12th movie 2022 Shekhar flop. 13th movie 2023 Walter Veeraya blockbuster. 14th movie 2023 Geeta Sakiga flop. 15th movie 2023 Madrapudi Grama flop. 16th movie 2024 Dera flop. 17th movie 2024 Wong Club flop. 18th movie 2024 Bajevayu Begum average. 19th movie 2024 CD flop.
మీకు మా వీడియోస్ కనుక నచ్చినట్లయితే ఇలాంటి మరెన్నో విషయాలు తెలుసుకోవాలనుకుంటే డూ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు సమాజం ముచ్చట్లు.